We interrupt this program to bring you...
Yeah. Kinda check the song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up.
Alright y'all, so we are here with KlaiyiHair Hair. I don't know how to pronounce it, don't judge me, I'll get it eventually. So for this unboxing, we have this cute little silk drawstring bag to store the wig in, and this cute little rainbow headband. It is so cute, I love it. There's a lot of blue peeking out, y'all already know I love blue. So for the hair herself, she is 22 inches. The frontal is a 13 by 4, so you know it goes ear to ear, and you also have a lot of parting space as well. The baby hairs are also sectioned off for you. You won't even need to add any more because, girl, when I tell you, after I melt this lace, I won't need to add no baby hairs. Like, baby hairs why this lace is gonna melt into my scalp. It's gonna be like John Cena. You can't see it. You won't see it. I'm sorry, I'm just too hyped. When I tell y'all it's been a minute since I had a really good wig, I mean, it's been a minute. So usually I fit a wig on before I put the gel on, but it's like I knew it was gonna be perfect. And y'all, just look at the expression on my face. Like, So I'm gonna clip my hair up and out of my face, and I'm just gonna continue working on the frontal, you know, getting it laid and all that. So I'm just giving y'all some curl teas for y'all. I didn't put anything special in here, like just water, H2O, mizu, agua, like that's it. Alright, so she got more than enough time to dry, so I'm just gonna remove the scarf and show y'all something. Like, look at this. Don't blink. Don't blink. Look, 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 look. Period. So for the styling section of this video, usually I would just do like some swoop of the baby hairs and that's it, but there's a style that I've always wanted to try but never have, and these long pieces in the front definitely inspired me to do that. I mean it's already been done, but I've always wanted to try it. And y'all, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a bang, and it's not like doing baby hairs either. It's like something in the middle. Like, I think y'all know what I'm talking about. So
lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change to the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Revan now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf, and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Kinda check the song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too.
You're taking it?
yeah. Why you look like you're going to school? Why you look like you're going to school or jail?
Cool, Joe.
Because we never read the instructions, but tell us how to
It's fine.
do it.
It's fine. You just look like you're going to school in Jamaica.
His teeth of frustration.
So to make this blending even more, I'm going to be going in with some eyeshadow in my skin tone to, you know, match things up a lot more, blend things in a lot more seamlessly. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of foundation too, Sometimes I like to mix both. Sometimes I'm good with just the eyeshadow. The reason why I don't use face powder is because I don't have any face powder that suits my skin tone. I do have face powder on my face now, but it's coming off as more red, so I don't want to like do that because no.
I just wanna run it up. Count a check or something. I've been really in the feel letter, yeah. I've been really in the feel letter, rush, I let her feel lately. I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal lately. I just wanna run it up, yeah. Count a check or something. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, yeah. Count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play.
And I also feel like this looks so much better when it's pulled back. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not my real hair. I mean, if you look at the back of my neck, my hair color right now is not black, so I mean it looks off, but trust me, if it was, you could not tell me any different. Like, and with this headband, y'all, it is so pretty. Like, I'm not bullshitting y'all right now. Like, I really adore this. I think it looks super cute. And if you want to pull this hair up, you can use the headband to hide whatever is going on in the back. So yeah, period. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up from now. Everything y'all need to know about this wig is gonna be in the description down below. Check it out.
Lately I just wanna run it up. Count a check or something. I've been really in the feel letter, yeah. I've been really in the feel letter, rush, I let her feel lately. I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal lately. I just wanna run it up, yeah. Count a check or something. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, yeah. Count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Revan now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides now.